Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy XRP on Coinbase UK. While direct purchases with fiat currency are not available, there is a clear, compliant method you can use. You'll learn the exact steps to navigate Coinbase UK's platform to successfully acquire XRP through a conversion process. This ensures you understand the only way to add XRP to your portfolio using this exchange. The first step is to fund your Coinbase UK account with fiat currency, such as British pounds. Once your account is funded, you'll need to purchase a readily available cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. After acquiring your chosen crypto, simply navigate to the convert option within Coinbase. Here, you can easily exchange your Bitcoin or Ethereum directly for XRP. If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a like. Quick recommendation. On another note, if you love reading, you'll adore the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, anytime. You can find a link to the Kindle and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. When converting, always be mindful of the conversion fees Coinbase UK applies. These can vary, so it's wise to check them beforehand. Also, remember that cryptocurrency markets are volatile. Prices can change rapidly. Before finalizing any transaction, carefully review all the details presented to you. This ensures accuracy and helps you avoid any unexpected surprises. You might wonder why this conversion method is necessary. It's primarily due to specific regulatory restrictions in the United Kingdom concerning direct XRP purchases. Coinbase UK, as a regulated entity, must adhere strictly to these financial guidelines. Therefore, offering a conversion path allows users to acquire XRP in a fully compliant manner, respecting all local regulations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.